What's up, everybody? Fast Boy JD back with another video. Yo, all right, what's up, y'all? Okay, had a good ass trading day, and I decided to say, all right, you know what? I'm done for today. Keep my profit, yada yada yada. So today I have a new mod idea. I want to re-clear my taillights. No, my headlights. My headlights are gonna get re-cleared today, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do that today. Got some P800 sandpaper. I'm gonna go to O'Reilly's to get some more. I need some 1500 grit sandpaper, and then I need some gloss. Need some gloss clear so we can make these holes icy as fuck. So yeah, stick around because my headlights are finna go from trash to glass. Watch. Looking pretty wet. Oh, I just fixed my AC today too, damn. All right, yeah, they look like shit right now. I've done a video like this in the past, but I didn't do it the proper, correct way. But today we're gonna make them look, I don't know if y'all can see this, it's like clear. So I know these lights are gonna look fire as fuck when I'm done. But yeah, hit the parts store right now, let's go. All right, low-key, I need to vacuum my car, so that's what we're finna do. Yup. Got the supplies, guys. Got the supplies. Let me show you. This is another cheap ass mod, bro. Hold up. This hole was $4. A little sanding block. And this was $6. Clear gloss. So let's go to the gym, and then we are going to fix this motherfucker. All right, we are back at HQ. Went to the gym, did what I had to do. What you need? Gloss, P1500, alcohol to clean the surface, P800. We're gonna use a bowl with water in it because we're gonna wet sand the headlight. And we're gonna take out the headlight from the car, okay? So I bet I'm gonna get that shit done. Also, I bought some coolant. Let me switch this. I bought some coolant because I've been meaning to change my thermostat for the longest. I don't want to do it just because I know it's a pain in the nuts reaching one of the bolts, but I have to fucking do it because I fixed the AC, and I said if I fix the AC, I'll fix the thermostat. So that's gonna get done today. That stupid ass thermostat. Hopefully that fixes the problem. So AC's fixed, headlights getting cleared, thermostat's getting fixed, and then I'll put the bumper back on. Yo, I'm excited. I'm excited, bro, for the lights mainly. Lights out, lights out, lights out. They're out, they're out. If y'all didn't know, I did that shit clean as fuck. All right, yo, let's go get these lights done. All right, so since we're wet sanding, put some dish soap in there, and then get you a bucket of water, and then go up the stairs. Dude, what do y'all think about these lights, bro? I've had these for like 2 months. I fucking love them. But yeah, all right, so wet sanding. Got the lights right there. P800 right here. I'm about to put gloves on, and then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this. All right, bet. What's up, y'all? Weird ass angle. I don't really care. Got the headlight right here. Get your sandpaper. Dip that shit in the water. Right around the water. Hold on. This is ratchet. Damn, I should probably clean this first, huh? Nah. Okay, so let me just do this. What you're trying to do is go in the same direction across the whole headlight. So I'm gonna choose to go this way. I'm just gonna go like this way. Bro, I don't like this tripod, but alright. Got to talk to my chest. Alright, so y'all see me? Alright, bet. So let's get the wet sand shit again. I finished sanding I did the first pass already. I may do a second pass. Just because the 800 is where you get off all the oxidation. You use 1500 just to have a smooth surface to lay the paint on. Just not to get the oxidation. So we're gonna wipe this off and see how it looks. Alright, as y'all can see, everything's going relatively in the same direction. We're going up. Okay, so you want it to look hazy like this. I'm gonna do another pass. I want to get rid of this right here. All this clear. There cannot be any clear. The whole thing will have to be hazy or it's not gonna look good. So let's do our second pass so everything's frosted. And then we're gonna do it just like that. All right, that is pass number 2. This is wet, so there it goes, disappearing. Okay, I don't have any clear on here. All this shit is just wet, a little bit wet. So next, we're gonna hit it with the 1500, and hopefully it looks a little bit more smoky. So let's get that shit done. All right, here's what we got. I ain't gonna lie, this already looks really good, and I only did 1 pass on 1500. You want it to be really smoky, but like when you feel the surface, it should be smooth. So like there's no really problems with the surface is smooth. That's what you're aiming for. Okay, I'm probably do another pass just to see what's up with this right here. I don't know. I'm doing another pass just to make sure it's like smooth. And then I came inside because fucking bees won't leave me the fuck alone, bro. I'm not trying to get stung. But yeah, let's do this shit. Pop. Oh, it's already drying right now. All right, so next, you need to get this wonderful, wonderful alcohol. Make sure you have a different towel for this because you want the surface as clean as possible. So we're gonna put some alcohol on this. We're gonna rub it on that. And then after that, we'll be ready to paint. All right, this is gonna be the before. Let me go paint that shit. For those of you who don't know how to paint, I'm gonna give you a little quick tutorial. So make sure you shake this shit for at least a minute. It actually matters because you're gonna get inconsistent spray if you don't. So once you shake it up, make sure you test spray it on the ground or whatever. And then after that, you're gonna do the light. The first coat is gonna be light. Second coat's gonna be heavy. Third coat's gonna be heavy. I'm gonna probably do 3 or 4 coats just so we're good. Maybe 5, depending on how good it looks. Still shaking the bottle. Still shaking the bottle. How y'all doing today? Comment down below if y'all are having a great day. I'm having a wonderful day. I just wish the bees weren't fucking with me outside. But yeah. All right, bro, let me go paint this shit. Okay, not even the first coat, bro. This shit looks fresh. Hold up. Check it. We're not even anywhere close to being done. Check that shit out, bro. Oh, and go look at the old one. Go look at the old one. Look at that. Jesus. Okay, so we're gonna wait like 10 minutes for that coat to dry. It really doesn't even take that long. But wait 10 minutes in between coats. Second coat, we're going heavy. Gonna be slower. Go slower with your strokes. First coat, you wanna be faster. Just, you feel me? I would show you a video, but I don't wanna spray my phone. So, I'm sorry. When I get a real camera, I will do that for y'all. But yeah, second coat's going on next. Well, guess what happens when you fuck up your headlight? That's the second one. That one's fine. So, I didn't clean this headlight properly, and I guess the paint got stuck. I mean, the paint and the dirt mixed together, and it looked like shit. Please remember to clean your paint surface with soap and water, then alcohol, then dry it, and let it dry for fucking 40 years before you paint on it, because it will fuck up. Now I put the paint thinner on there, and we gotta take that shit off. So that's all right. Update, we got this thermostat out. Bro, look, this shit didn't even have the spring, bro. What the fuck? So I'm about to start it up. Well, there's good news and then there's bad news. Well, the bad news isn't completely bad news yet, but I finished one of the headlights. I don't think I showed y'all. If I did, well, I'm gonna show you again. So one of them went well. The other one, I think I did already record this. I fucked it up. So I'm gonna sand it off and try again. But check this shit out. Look at that shit, bro. Fucking clean. That's the best it'll be for now, but shit, that shit look fresh, bro. That shit sexy. That shit sexy. Look at that light, how clean. But yeah, that one's done. And then I fixed the thermostat. Let me turn off the lights. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the fucked up one. And I'm gonna tell y'all how we're gonna fix it. Somehow we're gonna fix it, but I just know we're gonna fix it. So this is 120 grit sandpaper. I had some paint thinner in the fucking I had some paint thinner in the balcony, and I put that on top. And I realized I can't really scrape it off because it's plastic. So we're just gonna sand that shit off until it comes off. Hopefully it works out. But yeah, let me show y'all. This is how this shit looks. Like shit. So let's hope 120 is gonna get off the paint. And then we're gonna try to go with the 400 grit and then the 800 and then 1500. Hopefully it works out. I just put the last coat on the fucked up headlight, and I pretty damn sure we brought it back to life. It doesn't look as good as the other one, but considering the fact that it looked like shit, I fixed it. So stay tuned. I'm waiting for the paint to dry. All right, it's not perfect. Definitely not as good as the other one, but the way it looked when I fucked it up compared to now, I'm very satisfied. So I'm gonna go put this on the car, and we're gonna go turn on the lights. Damn, bruh, too bad the other one doesn't look like this. This one looks fire. This one, it's all right. I'm proud that I fucking brought it back to life. So I would have been really pissed if it didn't fucking work out. What the fuck? Where's my LED lights? Let me see. Oh, there they go. All right, here we go. Look at the whip. So why is that not yellow on here? Okay, those lights are actually yellow. But that's the car right now. The hose are fresh. The hose are alright. I'll take it. I'll just buy new ones later on. But for 20 bucks, that's not a bad mod. You feel me? Thermostat is alright, yo. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Got the thermostat done, AC's fixed, and my lights are, for the most part, cleaner than they were before. Thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the like button. Let's get this video to 3 likes or more. 3 likes or more. Let's do it, gang. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video, yeah? Peace out. All right, y'all. That's the whip right now. We brought it back to life. I got the bumper back on. We're at the fucking mall. These niggas are trying to get by. Look at this race car. But yeah, end of the video. I'm gonna go check out this mall with my homeboy. And if y'all new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And then go ahead and leave a like for me too, because I really appreciate them. And if we can get this video to 2 likes, I will be greatly appreciative of your efforts. But yeah, this is my mask, you know, we got going with the drip. See y'all in the next video though, yeah? Peace out.